Hello everybody, we are currently preparing to head down to Ajo, Arizona and Organ Pipe Cactus National Monument to check out those areas. Been there before, really neat spot, and looking forward to being there again. So today's video is brought to you by Poppy. Poppy, the cute little baby girl made from sugar and kisses. Poppy. And now back to our regularly scheduled goofy video. So this is where we are, the Desert Pueblo RV Resort, and it's a really nice place, I gotta say. Let me turn the camera around, hop out, and I will show you a little bit. Okay, so that is where the main office is, over here. Desert Pueblo RV Resort office. They've got ice. There is their welcome sign, and we are in here getting a bunch of laundry done. And they have this nicely remodeled laundry center. And the laundry center has all new machines. And it comes with a lovely lady who does the laundry for you.
Yeah. So it's mostly regular and then the one extra big one.
Yeah, oh yeah, the one extra big one over there.
And they're only $2.50 each. So I think in Quartzsite they were $4.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
then that might have been Albuquerque too, I don't remember.
Yeah. But it's nice. It's new, clean, very nice. Okay, so this here is the immediate area around the laundry. And if you look down, you can see that it is a fairly good sized, very clean RV park. So just looking all the way down there, it's nice. It's just off the highway here, south of Baus. Okay, so there you see the truck camper here, and that's what we're doing is just laundry here, and then we'll head on down. We're gonna hit up Saddle Mountain BLM area for tonight, and after that head on down to Ajo. And there's some really cool old buildings that I'm looking forward to showing Kelly when we get there. Ajo's got some really neat buildings, so you can tune into the next video and see those. Okay, so I'm gonna cut it for here, and we're gonna try and get that laundry finished.